How to use Zangi on PC or web? Let's dive into it. Today we are exploring how to use Zangi on your PC or through the web browser. Zangi is a fantastic communication tool that allows you to make voice and videos call, send messages and share the file. So if you are ready, let's get started. However, it is mainly available as mobile app, and unlike other messengers, Zangi doesn't offer a browser version or official desktop app for the regular user. But here's the good news. You can still use Zangi on your PC by installing an Android emulator. For example, BlueStack. An emulator lets you run the mobile apps on your computer just like you would on your phone. Let me show you how. First things first, let's go to the official site of BlueStack. So BlueStack is one of the type of the Android emulator. Simply go to it. I already do have downloaded this, so I'll be just explaining you how to download it. So here you can see download right over here, and over here you can see all versions. If you tap on this arrow right over here, that will provide you to see the versions that is available or that is suitable, the version of the Windows that you are using right now. Simply tap on download that is suitable for your computer right now. Simply tap on download and that will start downloading BlueStack on your PC. However, in my case, I already have downloaded this, so I'll not be showing you the rest process. But simply talking about this is what you have to do is simply tap on this one and then it will get downloaded on your PC. And after that, you have to install the BlueStack app on your device. Now let's go into the BlueStack, and this is exactly how your BlueStacks will look like. Let's go to this app store right over here. Now let's search for Zangi over here. Tap on it and search it. Okay, so it's searching. Okay, let's search into the Google Play Store. So it's a little bit messed up, but this is the whole process. And now here you can see an app called Zangi, and here you can see an option for install. Simply tap on it, and that will start downloading your Zangi on your device. Let's wait for a while, and once installed you will see an option for open. Simply tap on it, and now we are inside the Zangi. So you now can register by tapping on this right over here, and if you already have an account, simply tap on sign in right over here and just proceed the process. And that's it. Now you know how to use Zangi on your PC with the Android emulator. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.